So, how do you feel right now?
I don't really feel anything yet, but I feel like I haven't met the doctor yet, and that's probably the scariest part, meeting him in person, for sure.
What are you looking forward to the most after surgery?
Just not having some of this uncomfortableness from the lumps. Like this one on my right side kind of pushes on my muscles sometimes when I drive, and it kind of gives me like weird tingles, and it's just yeah, definitely the uncomfortableness. And then knowing that I won't have complications later in life is super important, and then my health will be better. And then of course the big booty down the road would be nice to get back on track.
So what do you think this process is going to do for your overall confidence?
Well, earlier we were talking about how the only things that I'm really like super self-conscious about are the things that I have altered, and that would be my butt that I got injected and my bottom lip that I got injected. And if he can fix both of these things for me, I feel like that I can just have small insecurities like everybody else, instead of these things that I obsess over on like a daily basis, and I can feel, and you know, and it's just unnatural.
What would be the one thing you would tell someone else going through this process?
The actual surgery, or in the someone who's thinking about getting their ass shot up with some illegal injections?
No, someone who's getting a corrective surgery.
Well, do your research, because there's a lot of different doctors out there, and there's a lot of different techniques, and just make sure that you're really comfortable with the way that your doctor is doing it, and that it makes sense to you and for your situation and how serious it is. For me, I really like Dr. Hughes because I don't have to have a huge scar, the downtime is a lot less. He still cuts the stuff out, so I know for sure that it's going to be gone, but it's a little bit less invasive than some of the other doctors that I'd seen. And since I don't have quite as much volume of the injections in my butt, I feel like this was the best decision for me.
So, does your family know you're here?
Yeah, they didn't know any of this though until I posted that video on Facebook explaining this whole situation, and they've been really supportive, so that's really good.
Did you have any like wow reactions?
I think that since I posted